welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor, and ice cream is one of my favorite things in the entire world. There are so many different flavors and toppings, you can really do anything with it. So today I'd like to teach you all a vegan vanilla ice cream, so let's dive in. We're going to be a little crazy to start this off, and instead of some cold, we're going to start it with some heat. Grab a large pot on the stove, and instead of using milk or cream for this dessert, we're going to use coconut milk. Add in 3 cans of coconut milk and some sugar. Turn the heat up to medium and heat that until the sugar is dissolved into the base. Now get out a small bowl and add another can of coconut milk along with some cornstarch. Whisk it all together until there's no chunks remaining. This cornstarch will thicken up the coconut milk and make our base a little bit more creamy. Now add the cornstarch mix to the pot and keep whisking on the heat for 10 minutes. If it starts to simmer, turn the heat down. We want it to be hot but no bubbles. After 10 minutes, slap a lid on the pot and put it in the fridge for about 4 hours or until it's completely cooled. With 4 hours passed, bust out an ice cream maker. Pour your mix into a cooled tin, put on the lid and fill her up with ice. Make sure to stop when it's about halfway filled to add some rock salt. Then top it off with another layer of ice and another layer of salt. Plug it in and let it do its thing for 15 minutes. Some of that ice is melted down, so let's top her off with another layer of ice and salt before letting it churn for another 15. After a half hour of churning action, you should have a very thick, creamy soft serve. Time to bust out your favorite toppings and let's plate this dish. Chocolate sauce is my go-to topping. Now this right here gives you a wonderful base vanilla ice cream, but feel free to add in any berries, chocolate, anything you'd like to it. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know what are some of your favorite ice cream toppings in the comments down below. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. These are coming out so perfectly. No.